Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to stream on 1080p in Streamlabs. Now, as you can see here, this is assume that you already have downloaded Streamlabs desktop on your PC. There are a few things you need to do to make sure you can stream 1080p on your Streamlabs. Outside of the software, of course, you need to consider you need to have a good enough rig, a good enough computer to do this. So a good GPU or graphics card and other peripherals within your computer. So after you realize that, okay, I have those, what you want to do is go to settings here on the lower left corner of the screen, click on settings, a pop-up will appear. So what you want to check out next is output. And in output, you want to look at your encoder. This should be for your hardware, so your GPU. So for me, it's either NVENC H.264 or NVENC H.264, the new one. But for me, what works is this one. So after this, you wanna the read control should be CBR. All of this is pretty much fine, right? But to make sure that you get 1080p is you want to go to video, click on video, and the base canvas resolution should be 1920 by 1080. So to get 1080p, but at the same time, your output should mirror that. So if your output is, as you can see, 1280 by 720, you would want to change that to 1920 by 1080p. And then after that, you're pretty much set. Click done, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much how it's done. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.